the autonomous operating mode can help the pilot start an autonomous operation on mapped large fields. Map the field on the Agricultural Assistant app with T-Marker. Long press the power button to boot up the T-Marker. Click Field Mapping. Choose T-Marker. Enter the name of the field. Optional. Click Confirm. Select the T-Marker in the pop-up window to connect. After the T-Marker is connected, turn off the RTK function. You can start mapping the field once the number of RTK precision turns green. Hold the T-Marker and walk along the borderline. Short press the power button to mark the point at the turning points. You can also operate on the app. Choose Border Point and click Dot to mark the points. Border points are added successfully. Please find an obvious reference feature near the field. Switch to the reference point. Click Dot. Click Confirm. Click Save. Click No. Field mapping is completed. Long press the power button to turn off. Fill the tank with agrochemical before the spraying operation. Press the spray button to evacuate the air in the pipe. Before the spreading operation, press the spread button and ensure the rolling feeder is working properly. Ensure the fan is working properly. Fill the container with granule. Click the setting icon after calibration. Please refer to the spreading system calibration tutorial. Choose the actual granule type. Check whether the components are tightened. After finish the field mapping, expand the task list in the main interface. Choose the mapped field and click Call Job to start the operation. Please set the dosage, altitude, line spacing, and flight speed according to your actual needs. We suggest you set the operation and action as hover. Click Next Step after setting all the parameters. Put the drone on the reference point and click Correct for calibration. Click Next Step. Please set the route retraction distance according to the actual needs. Click Next. Set the route starting point close to the takeoff point. Set the operation route, all selected by default. Click Complete. Click Start Work. Set the security parameters according to the actual situation. Make sure there is no obstacle between the takeoff point and route starting point. Tick the box. Slide to unlock. The drone will take off automatically and starts the operation. When the operation is completed, the drone will hover at the finishing point. Click Confirm on the pop-up work report. We suggest the pilot fly the drone back manually. Operating with autonomous mode is completed.